Fantastic new tool here. So this is called Power Clip, and it's going to save you so much time when working with bitmaps. If you have ever used the masking tool in Illustrator, it's very, very similar. So your customer has come to you and he wants you to use one of these globes. Okay, so one of these planets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and we're going to paste it in here. And your customer wants you to use planet Earth, let's say, for argument's sake, to go as part of his logo or part of his design, whatever he wants. Pretty heavily pixelated, but it doesn't really matter for the principles of this video. So what we're going to need to do is draw a circle around that. So what we would do to start with is hit the ellipse tool and come over to somewhere to the center of this globe of Earth, and we're going to hold down the Shift and Control key, and we're going to pull out, and that's going to give us a nice round circle. So go back to my Pix tool at the top left hand corner and select a nice nice bright outline color by clicking on the right button. And I'm going to use my arrow keys on my keyboard just to move around and just to get that fairly central. And what I will do is I'm going to colour that in a solid colour, just purely because it makes my life a lot easier when I'm trying to pick up on this object when I'm power clipping. So power clipping, like I said, is like masking. So I'm going to select my bitmap image underneath. I'm going to right click, and at the top there, the menu, it says power clip inside. And it gives me a little arrow, and I'm going to say this circle. So I'm going to click on it once. And there I have it. So it's power clipped, that just individual component. It's just taken that out, and that is all still actually there behind it. But in its entirety, you can just export that particular component on its own and send it over to a printer, or you can add some text around the outside if you want. So that's power clipping.